nervous. Oh. What?
You're saying about you just want to get out of stress.
I just want to get out of stress and dance. It's my goal today.
Jonathan Andrew Eberle. From our first date, I had a feeling that you were the one. I was suspicious of the feeling, but it was there and it's never left me.
Jancy Lake and Harvey, I love you so much more than words can describe. You know how to make me laugh and smile. You're the only person that can get me to dance.
You bring me overwhelming peace and joy to my life daily.
You're someone I can talk to about anything. You're so amazing. I'm so blessed to have you in my life.
I need you like a rising sun. Let the light pour in and the colors run. Like midnight skies need northern stars. I think home is right where you are. And words get caught on my tongue. Honey, I need you, you're the only one. I
don't know why I'm nervous. Okay. Okay, y'all open your eyes. Nobody cry, Jessica. Nobody cry.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You were so pretty. So proud of you.
I'll be
Most excited about today, other than just the simple, like, I'm getting married.
I'm just ready to dance the night away. What?
Hi.
You look stunning.
You kiss me?
You can.
You look so handsome.
I thought I was gonna cry, but I think I'm too nervous too.
I vow to be your peace daily and to make sure there isn't a day where you don't feel loved. I vow to be with you in good times and bad, to never leave your side in hardships, and to choose you every day. I love you.
Well, by the authority committed unto me as a minister of the gospel, I declare Jonathan and Jancy husband and wife, according to the ordinance of God and the laws of this state. Jonathan, you may kiss your bride. It is my privilege to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Jonathan Eberle.
so